Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to turn off email forwarding on Outlook using a Mac computer in the year 2026 web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, then go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Outlook, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Prior to the previous tutorial, I did create a new rule from the settings that allowed our emails to be forwarded to rayhan@computersciencevideos.com. So every time we receive an email within the admin inbox, it instantaneously gets forwarded to the main account. And now for us to, let's just say, turn this off, either what we can do is go to the top right corner. Here we have the message that says forwarding. Email is being forwarded to that particular email address. We can click turn off, or what we can do is go to the top right corner again, settings, cogwheel, email, and then go to forwarding. Now we can deselect enable forwarding, click on save. Let's now refresh the website. We can now see that the message on the top right corner has been completely removed, and once deselected, enable forwarding is also no longer available as we have deselected it from the system. Let's now click on X. If somebody sends us an email, this is no longer forwarded to the recipient of our choice. It stays in the inbox for us to deal with to our own accordance. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.